Hey guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Huda Beauty, I believe it's Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I only ended up picking up 2 of these. I believe they have 5 colors total. The 2 shades that I got was the red one, which is Hot Sauce and Cherry Soda. And I also got Private Jet and Shimmering Sunset. The 3 other colors that it came in, 2 of those shades, I believe it was like the beigey taupey shade and a pink shade. Those 2, when I swatched them, were way too light for my skin. It was like ash. And then the other color I believe was like a purple, and I'm just not huge on purples in general. So these 2 were basically the closest things that I felt like I would wear again. These do run you $25 a pop. So it's basically like a 2-in-1 situation where one side is going to be your matte and then the other side will be your shimmer shade, which I think is a really good idea. Sometimes when I really don't feel like doing too much with my eyes, I literally will put a matte shadow in my crease and possibly a shimmer shade on my lid, and then I'll keep it moving. So I really think these are a good idea, especially for people that just want to do like 1, 2 and I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the demo slash tutorial part. Yeah. And then we'll come back and talk. First, I'm going in with the color Private Jet and placing a few dots on the inner brim of my eye. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M535 and blend that using a soft circular motion. Next, I took the color Hot Sauce and did the same thing on the outer edge and a little bit on the lid. And using the same circular motion to blend that out. Next, I took the color Shimmering Sunset and placed that on the inner portion of my lid. And then I placed Cherry Soda on the middle portion of my lid. I kind of want my outer corner to be a little bit deeper. So I'm gonna go back in with the Hot Sauce side and I wanna see if I can get this any deeper. I did layer, and I think putting that 3rd layer made it a little bit more patchy, so maybe you don't wanna go too heavy with the layering. I just wanted to see if it could get a little bit deeper, and I don't think you'll get any deeper than where we were with the 2 layers. Once I put the 3rd layer on, it's starting to look a little bit patchy. It's not really transferring, so that's good. And my eye doesn't feel tight. Like, it is dry, but it doesn't feel like tight. To me, the shimmer is a little bit flaky looking, like it's almost making my eyelid look a little bit crispy. So now that I got like the majority of my makeup done, I'm gonna go in with the Hot Sauce color. Hopefully it doesn't get on my lashes, but we're gonna work with it. All right, and I'm gonna go on the bottom lash line, just like that. And I'm gonna take that thin fluffy brush and blend that. And I'm gonna make sure I kind of connect it to that top half. And then drag it on the lower lash line. Like, it does spread, which I really love. Like, it spreads really easy. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but the color is cracking. So if I'm gonna compare these to like another like similar product, the closest one I can think of are like the Stila shadows, the shimmer shadows, and these shimmers on these don't hold a candle to those, especially because the Stila shadows, I have never had Stila shadows like crack and like go in my lines like this. Like, overall, I'm not mad at the actual like look of everything, but if you're specifically wanting the shimmer and not so much the matte, like you could care less about this part of it, then I would just go with the Stila Magnificent Metals, I think that's what they're called, something like that. This lighter color is wanting, like, if I were to take my nail and just move it, I feel like it would flake off. I was gonna take the Shimmering Sunset and put that below, but because it's already cracking right here, I'm just gonna leave it how it is, because I feel like if I put it down here, it's gonna crack and then it's gonna ruin the whole look. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. Actually, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Killawatt foil. I'm gonna take the color, what is this, the Mimosa Sunrise color, on like a little flat brush, and I think I'm gonna just put that right there. I think this is gonna be the look that we're gonna rock with today as far as the eyeshadow goes. Like I feel like this color is the one that wants to sort of break off, whereas the, what is this one, the cherry soda, the red one, isn't. The cherry soda one looks fine. It's just like the lighter color is the one that's not, I'm not crazy about it. As far as these go, I do believe that the pigment could definitely be better. I was hoping that this one especially would be more pigmented, more red. Like I've still yet to find a really vibrant red, you know what I mean? A lot of times it ends up being like pink, or like in this case it's like a corally kind of situation. I'm not mad at this one specifically. I really do like this one. These are not layerable. These aren't layerable past 2 layers. As you guys saw, like the more that I tried to layer it on this side, the more patchy it got. Honestly, I hope that they do fix like all of those things, but I do hope that they come out with some deeper shades, some more unique colors. Because the one thing that I noticed about the colors were that it was almost like her nude palette, essentially. I just wish that, like, one, I wish she would come out with a little bit more like deeper colors, like maybe a brown with a gold, or a bronze. That would be beautiful. A turquoise, something like that, that, you know, we can really play with a little bit, versus just the everyday, like, typical colors. I am a fan of this. Let me be more specific. I'm a fan of this one. So I am a fan of the red one. I don't know that I would recommend this one because, like I said, it is starting to flake off a little bit. The matte side isn't bad, but I think for overall quality, the red one definitely is better. All right, guys, that about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful and informative, what have you. If so, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Share the video if the mood suits you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.